As India prepares for a long-term action against the terror nexus in Pakistan, in Jammu and Kashmir, there is heightened security after 2 weeks of Pahalgam terror attack. We are right now in North Kashmir, and this is an interior belt of Handwara district where you see the security forces, especially the Jammu Kashmir police, is on a high alert mode. The operations against the OGWs have been intensified and the movements are being thoroughly checked and scanned. This is the operation that goes on 24/7 in all the districts of Jammu and Kashmir, and especially in Kashmir after the Pahalgam attack. There is a special vigil on each and every nook and corner. And you see these forces are deployed here. There are additional deployments of the forces in multiple areas. And the operations are going on to look for the perpetrators of Pahalgam. And the combing operations are going on in the areas adjoining to Pahalgam. Meanwhile, on the other inputs, the police has been acting, collaborating and cooperating, coordinating with the other forces, the Indian Army, the security forces. They are all on a high vigil. So the intensified operations against terror, the associates of terrorists, they are all going on. You see, these are the special vehicles that have been deployed on all nakas in Jammu and Kashmir, especially here, because this road further leads to the border areas where we've been seeing a lot of ceasefire violation by Pakistani army, to which the Indian army has been responding well. So you see, these are the special forces of Jammu Kashmir police who are deployed against terror. They are coordinating, and these operations are going on along with the long-term planning by the Indian forces, the strategic planning that goes on in the personal monitoring of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been conducting a lot of meetings. He's been reviewing the whole situation in national capital. But from there till Jammu and Kashmir, the whole operation is coordinated. So you see the movements, as I was telling you, that this road leads further to the border areas. There are several border villages from which the ceasefire violations have been reported in past 11 days. So the vigil is high. The operations are intensified. The forces are on a high alert mode. Any kind of movement is being checked thoroughly. And more than 25 OGWs, the overground workers, have already been detained only in Handwara, and 250 suspects are also under scanner. So the operation goes on. And one more important thing, Handwara has been a place where the IED was also neutralized a few weeks back by the security forces. So very sensitive zone. And in Jammu and Kashmir, in several places, we see similar operations happening. And this road leads to Nogam border. This is the area which leads to Nogam border, a sensitive area where we've seen how the preparedness has gone up after the ceasefire violations. The villagers are being made aware of the SOPs of the situation right now. And this is one such naka where you see heightened security, and similar is the picture in a number of places in Valley. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Nasir Aziz Khan for India Today from Handwara.